Hi, so I know what you probably get wondering is if it's worth it. And let me just tell you, it's worth it. Everything you're looking for, everything you want, this event, this experience will show you that you're worth it, you can have it, and you will have it. It's just filled with mind openers about what you have to do, what isn't working for you and what you can do to improve it. It's just really be prepared to a very emotional, very uplifting experience, very rich experience. You meet wonderful people, a wonderful community that is so much involved. You feel belonging, and also the team is amazing. They are such good people that want to help you. You feel the love. You really feel the love. You feel the good intention of people, and it's very, very amazing. An amazing experience. Would definitely recommend. You don't know if it's what you want, but let me tell you that it's what you need, and it can change your life. 22 pounds for a whole new dimension, a whole new world, a whole new experience where everything that you want, you can get, and everything that you know isn't actually everything that you know. So believe in yourself, take action, and if not now, then when? Just do it.